Want to get your ham radio license but don't know where to start? The process is way easier than you think. And today, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to get on the air fast. Stick around. You're watching HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope you're doing well today. Today's video is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com, your ultimate source for ham radio licensing and educational needs. I'll tell you about a great deal I've got with Ham Radio Prep in just a few minutes. So, why get your ham radio license? You clicked on this video clearly because you have an interest in ham radio. Ham radio opens up the world. You can communicate locally, regionally, and globally. Also, you can help with emergency communications, storm spotting, in some places in the country, storm chasing, satellites, and even bounce signals off the moon. How cool does that sound? And one thing we tell everybody, it's a license to learn, experiment, and connect with other people. Just because you've got your ham radio license, even all the way up to the extra class, doesn't mean you know everything. You'll constantly be learning. And if you're interested in learning more about electronics and communications, ham radio is the way to go. So let's talk about the basics of licensing. In the United States, licensing is handled by the Federal Communications Commission. There are 3 levels of license class. The entry level is the technician. And as you progress, you have to go step by step. You can't take the extra class exam right off the bat. You have to go step by step. The first class is technician class. Second class is general class. And finally is the amateur extra. Again, technician is the entry point, and it covers mostly local and regional communications, but you get a tiny, tiny sliver of HF. Specifically, you get, about 300 kilohertz of space in the 10-meter band. So you can get a little bit of HF, but you're not going to find a whole lot of traffic in that little bitty portion of 10 meters. Exams are multiple choice. No Morse code is required anymore. And I'm going to repeat that again. No Morse code is required anymore. You can certainly never pick up a paddle in your entire life. You don't have to. You can go all the way to the top with no Morse code. You only need to pass a 35-question exam for technician. Generally, I think that's 26 or 27 questions you have to have right. And I'll tell you an old thing. When I took my technician test 15 years ago, as of this recording, the guy that drove me to my technician test, Paul, W4PGM, I know you watch some of my videos. Shout out to you, buddy. Good to see you. He told me, if you make more than a 74, you're just showing off. Just remember, you're not going to get any extra credit for acing the thing. So don't worry. You've got a lot of wiggle room. So how do you prepare? You could buy books or dig through random YouTube videos, but structured learning does make a difference. That's where Ham Radio Prep comes in. Ham Radio Prep is a phenomenal tool. Their courses break down everything with video lessons, practice tests, and real-world explanations. You study smarter, not harder, and actually retain the information. There's a lot of people out there that will tell you, just memorize the questions and answers. Okay, that's well and good, and that'll work. That'll get you your license. I don't believe like that. I believe it's important that you have the context of the questions and answers before you take these tests. When you know the context, it stays up here a lot easier. So that's my philosophy on it, my pedagogical philosophy. So, the good news is, this is HamRadioPrep.com. You see the website over here, and you can try a free lesson. Now, that free lesson is not going to give you everything you need to know. That's just a trial. That's going to let you see what it looks like. go ahead and try that free lesson. No obligation. Or you can go ahead and sign up. And the good news is, I have a coupon code for you. 10% off their already great prices is available to you if you use my coupon code HamShackTV. HamShackTV. And as of right now, as of this recording, and I'm recording this on September 5th, there is an extra discount here, $79. That's the All Access Pass. So that's going to give you access to the Technician, General, and Extra Class course, as well as the Ham Radio Basics course. You're going to save 60% on that. If you click enroll there and go use my coupon code HamShackTV10, you're going to get this for, and I'm ballparking here because I'm not a human calculator, you're probably going to get this for right about a little over $70, tax and all. So use my coupon code HamShackTV at checkout. You'll get a great deal on that. And the thing is, this is like a computer-based learning. It's super, super easy. Professor Jim, which we've seen Professor Jim here on HamShackTV before, does a great job explaining these concepts. And the courses are broke down into chapters and little sections. You don't have to do the whole thing at one time. Little sections. And then they give you a knowledge check at the end. You're building on that knowledge as you go through the course. It's not just putting information you're going to dump in your brain. This is actually setting it up to where you'll retain the information and have a much better chance at passing the exam. All right, so I recommend the All Access Pass. That gives you the most bang for your buck. It's the most affordable. And again, it's HamShackTV for the discount. Now, ham radio exams are administered by VEs. Those are volunteer examiners. And you can take your test in person, or you can take it online. Ever since COVID, a little before COVID actually, they created, this is not the right website. Let me break away. Hamstudy.org. Hamstudy.org. If you go to that website, let me show you. Pulling it up now. Hamstudy.org. You're going to see this page right here. And if you go out up here in the top right-hand corner, you'll see Find a Session. You can do in-person or remote. You can choose from the VECs. Now, VECs are the Volunteer Examiner Coordinator, and there's only a few of them. Anchorage, ARRL, KVAC, Gears, GARG, Jefferson, Laurel, MRAC, MOCAN, Sandark, Sunnyvale, W4VEC, W5YI, and Westcars. And so really, really easy. You just click on one of these sessions, and you'll just sign up, register, and there you go. It's just signing you up through Exam Tools. Really easy stuff. So hamstudy.org is where you go. Now, your exam does have a fee, typically. Usually it's $15 or so. However, once you pass your exam, you got to pay the FCC a $35 license. That is your license fee. You have to pay that every 10 years. The pass rate is very, very high if you prepare properly. And again, that's why I recommend hamradioprep.com. They are so confident you're going to pass your exam. They offer you a money-back guarantee. See website for details. HamShackTV is a discount code on that. So again, don't wait. Ham radio is exploding with technology, digital modes, satellites, emergency networks. Whether you want to be ready for emergencies, or if you just want to chat with someone around the globe, your license is the ticket in. Check out Ham Radio Prep. Grab that discount code and start your journey today. Guys, I can't thank you enough for watching HamShackTV. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you've used Ham Radio Prep. And let me know if you're interested in getting your ham radio license. I've thought about getting back in the VE testing game. I haven't done that in a long time, but I am a VE, so we'll see. Again, guys, go check out hamradioprep.com. Discount code is HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off. They're already great prices. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 693.